Hello, beautiful women. This is Emmy of Eloquently Emmie, and I created an eyeshadow look today to match my shirt, and I thought I would just go over what I did with you because I really like it. It's just I'm really getting into the purples and blues together. So basically what I did is I used my MAC primer, and then I went in with my vanilla dust to get a better blend. And then I took some unicorn and cupcake and kind of created my base canvas. And then I went in right here with the rain, and I really like that a lot. And then I totally bought that up here, and then I used the As If, the little punch of purple, which I love, and then I used the Duke at the top, and I really like that. And then coming inward, I put some Soulmate here and some Sabrina. And yeah, I just really love the look. And then I wanted something a little darker for my liner here. So I first came in with the rain again, and then I went over it. But you can still see the blue with my Styla All Day Liquid eyeliner. And then of course I used my Marc Jacobs right on top of my lash line in the Grapevine, and I used my L'Oreal Unlimited waterproof mascara. Oh, and I can't forget the eyebrows. Yeah, I used kohl on my eyebrows. Anyway, I really love this look, and I just wanted to share it with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And remember to always wear your sunscreen and to live life passionately.